Good morning or good afternoon, depending where you are. My name is Darren Joseph from HEG.tax. We're a team that seeks to demystify the sometimes confusing world of international tax compliance, particularly for those who may be US exposed. Have a look at our website. We have over 2,000 articles on our YouTube channel. We have over 1,000 videos that speak to different aspects of international tax for those of you who live that international lifestyle. Today, we're joined by the one and only international tax badass, Mr. Jimmy Sexton, who is based in Dubai. Jimmy, how are you today?
I'm good. I'm good. I have my LLM, but I'm an international tax advisor.
Gotcha. Thank you very much. How is it that someone can choose the right tax person team for advanced international structure and asset protection, succession planning, like what you do? What's the right way to make that decision?
So, look, I think the two biggest things that you want to look for in an advisor are one, that they're solutions oriented, that they're not trying to sell a specific product or a specific structure, right? That it's somebody that's going to analyze your situation and try to find the right solution for you. I think the other part of it is that you want to find an advisor that has a global perspective, right? I mean, if you're a multinational person, somebody who's using flag theory, for example, you're going to have, maybe citizenships in this country that's going to have potentially a tax aspect to it. You're going to have residency in this country. You're going to have businesses in this country, assets in this country, so on and so forth. And you need somebody that's going to analyze all of that and try to figure out what the best structure looks like, right? Where do we need the companies? Where do we want the trust or foundation? Where do we want your residency? How do we want this whole thing to work, right? And then find the jurisdictions and the structure that work best for you. I think, unfortunately, a lot of the people out there that, sell themselves as advisors are not really advisors, right? They're entity salesmen or structure salesmen that are going out there and saying, I have this package solution, I have this structure, buy this, and it solves everything, right? And then that's never the case. And then I think the other part of the problem is, you have a lot of what I would call single jurisdiction advisors, right? Like if you're a lawyer in Switzerland, for example, and a client comes to you with their situation, they're probably going to try to fit you into some sort of a Swiss solution because that's what they know and that's how they make money. And so I really think what's important is you actually kind of want to separate the implementation of your structure from the planning, right? You don't want to go to the same guys that are going to set up the companies and set this up for advice, right? Because they're going to try to give you advice that fits with what they can sell. So I think that when choosing somebody, you really want to choose somebody that is really only selling advice, and you want to try to ask them questions to make sure that they're solutions oriented and that they kind of understand the global landscape, the relevant jurisdictions, and what's out there rather than a single jurisdiction.
Those are good points.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.